Hello students, today I am going to start our third chapter of science, that is fiber to fabric. In this chapter we have to study topics like fibers, fiber to yarn, yarn to fabric, history of clothing, types of fabrics, and in types of fabric we have to study about natural fabrics and synthetic fabrics. Okay, fiber to fabric. Fiber means tantu or resa in Hindi, and fabric means vastra or kapra. Okay, in this chapter we will learn how fabric is made. We wear different types of fabric. Each of our fabric is made up of cotton, jute, wool, nylon and polyester. But do you know what these fabrics are made up of? So let's start our chapter, fiber to fabric. Our first topic is fibers. Fibers, रेशा और तंतु. Okay, a very thin thread like strand from which cloth is made is called fiber. उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? Fiber. For example, we all have seen cotton in our home. This is cotton, and if we hold a piece of cotton between our hand and pull it apart, we will see a large number of thin and thread like strands in it. These small and thin strands are called fiber. These are called fibers. This is fibers. Thin strand, look at this thin strand, and this is called fibers. Okay, so what is the definition of fibers? A very thin thread like strand from which cloth is made is called fibers. Okay, now move to our next topic, fiber to yarn. Okay, fiber to yarn. When a bunch of fiber is pressed and twisted, it can be converted into long strong thread called yarn. Look at this cotton. Okay, when a bunch of fiber, this is bunch of fiber, and when it is pressed and twisted, it can be converted into long strong thread called yarn, like this. So bunch of fiber, when it is pressed and twisted, it can be converted into long strong thread called yarn. This is yarn. Okay, so twisting fiber to make yarn, the process is called spinning. Okay, and spinning can be done by hand spindle or charkha, and on a large scale it can be done by spinning machines. Now move to our next topic, that is yarn to fabric. The yarn produced from fibers and can be converted into fabric by two methods called weaving and knitting. Okay, first, weaving. What is weaving? The process of making a fabric by arranging yarns passing in one direction with other yarns at right angle to them is called weaving. Okay, take a piece of cloth and if you observe through a magnifying lens, we see an arrangement of two sets of yarn running across one another. Okay, like this. This is fabric, and there is arrangement of two sets of yarn running across each other. This is weaving. Okay, and there are two types of looms, hand looms and power looms. And weaving is done on device called looms. The loom which is worked by hand is called hand loom, and the loom which works with electric power are called power loom. This is all about weaving. Now come knitting. Have you ever seen your mother, grandmother knitting a sweater? कभी आपने देखा है आपकी मम्मी, आपकी दादी माँ को स्वेटर बुनते हुए? So the process of making a fabric by interlocking loop of single yarn with knitting needle or machines is called knitting. Okay. Knitting can be done by hands or by long knitting needles or by machines. Now look at these pictures. A spinning wheel or charkha. It spins cotton to make yarn. Next figure is a hand loom machine. It weaves yarn to make fabrics like this. And at last, a sweater being made by knitting. This is ball of yarn, woolen yarn, and this is knitting needles, and sweater is, and this is sweater, and sweater being made by knitting method. Okay, this is all about weaving, knitting, spinning. Now if I summarized all the topics that I discussed here, is fibers, yarn, fabric, clothes. Fibers. When a bunch of fiber is pressed and twisted, it form a yarn by the process called spinning. Okay, and yarn can be converted into fabric by two methods called weaving and knitting. And this is fabric, and from fabric clothes are made by stitching. So this is all about process of making clothes from fibers. This is all about how fabrics are made from fibers. Now we move to our next topic, that is history of clothing. Okay, मतलब पहले के ज़माने के लोग किस तरह के कपड़े पहना करते थे. Let's see. People in ancient time used the bark and big leaves of trees or animal skin and fur to cover themselves. Ancient time में लोग पेड़ों के bark में छाल, पेड़ों के छाल और बड़े बड़े पत्तों को यूज किया करते थे, या फिर एनिमल्स के स्किन को या एनिमल्स के हेयर को यूज करके अपने बॉडी को कवर किया करते थे, क्योंकि उस समय कोई कपड़ा था और ना कोई मशीन का इन्वेंशन हुआ था जिससे वो कपड़ा बना सके. After people began to settle in agricultural communities, they learned to weave twigs and grass into mats and baskets. लेकिन जैसे जैसे टाइम बढ़ता गया और तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने एक जगह सेटल होना शुरू किया और उससे क्या हुआ, उन्होंने ट्विग्स और ग्रास की हेल्प से मैट्स और बास्केट बनाना शुरू किया. फिर देन स्लोली men learned to gather wool from sheep and turn into clothes, and silk was the first made in China in around 3000 BC, and Indians were the first people to make cotton cloth. Till 13th or 14th century, people mostly wore unstitched clothes. So with the invention of sewing needle, people started stitching fabric to make clothes. And with the development of machines, stitched clothes become more popular as they were easy to wear and maintain. Now we wear various kind of dresses of many colors, made from various fabrics and stitched in many different way. So this is all about history of clothing. I hope this is very much clear to all of you. Okay.